Hi, I want to show you this basket, and I love having it here in my bedroom because I don't know about you, but I have like way too many pillows on my bed. So when I'm getting ready for bed, I can just toss them in here and I can fit a lot of pillows, maybe not all right in here, but out of the way so that when I go to bed, they have a place to stay. And then when I'm making my bed in the morning, let me show you. If I don't want to use them all and I'm just kind of in a rush, they have a place still to kind of hang out and look cute.
This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered.